Welcome back, friends, and a happy new year! Check out how I spent the last night of the year 2020. It's Clover Village. I'm gonna show you glimpse inside when we reach. Let's enter. We have ticket showtime, Papa. So now we'll be inside. Let's say hi to Gauri. Oh, I already started loving it. Let's meet my family friends we have come with. It's time to meet my little friends too. Here's Gauri, Ammu, and Rio. You say hi. Here's a big Christmas tree. The message is written from different countries. Once again, from Vihan, a Happy New Year! Wow, it's a beautiful disco fountain show. It's almost the time what I'm here for. A lovely cracker show. Wow. Global Village is the best place to be at Dubai. We can have shopping and lots of fun here. Welcoming the year 2021. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.